How to unfollow someone on your Facebook account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can unfollow someone on Facebook. So let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing that we gonna do is simply launch the Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon, and now you can see once we are inside our Facebook homepage, you can either choose to search for that particular person if you know their name or you are sure who you want to unfollow. So if you do know, you can simply search for them, and then if you have followed them, you will see a following option like this. You can open their profile, and then from here in the following option you can simply click, and then from the follow settings you can simply click onto this unfollow button in order to unfollow them. Now if you don't know their name or you have not decided whom to unfollow, then you can simply click onto these three options or these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you'll do this, it will lead you to this menu. Now in menu, simply click onto the settings gear icon at the top, and then for the search setting you can simply search for unfollow. So now from here you will see this unfollow option that says unfollow people, pages and groups. So choose unfollow, and from here decide that particular person that you want to unfollow. So for example, let's say if I want to unfollow this particular page or assume this as a person, so you can simply click onto this unfollow button and you will see this unfollowed option. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.